What's going on, guys? I'm here with Austin, and yeah, we're at Essex County Isolation Hospital. But I wish I knew. They're renovating it. Apartments, and a store down below. A little bit too late. That's what it is. Hey, as you can see, they're renovating this part right here. There's some power tools going on. Austin over here is pissed off. We've wanted to go here for a while. We lost our chance. So this first opened up in 1905 for controlling infectious diseases. Till 1955. After that, it became a insane asylum slash like for older people with healthcare needs. 2009, this place was closed. Left abandoned ever since, until I guess like a year ago. Started renovating it. It's like a new section like right in the back of it, like right after this building. They like just did some renovations. New windows are put in.
Why is this a two-way road?
I don't know, man. This needs fixing. And it kind of sucks that we can't go inside, so I am gonna fly my drone around. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this little bit of drone footage. We're gonna go check out another spot. This place is crazy looking.